State lawmakers and court officials are trying to determine what's next now that the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that Florida's death penalty law is unconstitutional, and activists are advocating for reform. CBS 4's Natalia joins us now with the legal fallout. Natalia.
Well, this decision did not come as a surprise to legal experts who say this ruling will bring Florida in line with other states in how it sentences convicts to death. With the inevitable change in state law, anti-death penalty activists are now hoping lawmakers will go even further than the Supreme Court requires.
Well, I'll review it. I haven't had the chance to review it.
The governor, his attorney general, and court officials across the state are all reviewing the decision from the high court that could drastically change Florida's system. In an 8-1 vote, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down the system Florida courts have used to put inmates on death row for decades, saying it wrongly gives judges more authority than the jury. The ruling centers around Timothy Hurst, who murdered his manager at a restaurant in Pensacola back in 1998. In a 7-5 vote, jurors voted in favor of death, and the judge made the final decision to give him the death penalty. Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote, "The Sixth Amendment requires a jury, not a judge, to find each fact necessary to impose a sentence of death. A jury's mere recommendation is not enough."
I don't think it's a great surprise that the decision came down, putting Florida in line with other jurisdictions.
Attorney and former prosecutor David Weinstein says state lawmakers now have their work cut out for them.
Now the legislature has to do something about correcting the procedure.
Howard Simon, president of the American Civil Liberties Union, which advocates against the death penalty, says he has pushed the state to change the law for years. He now wants the 390 people currently on death row to be spared.
The simplest thing would be to just convert those death sentences into sentences of life imprisonment.
Weinstein does not believe they will all be eligible to have their death sentences reviewed.
If your case has been deemed final on what's called direct review, you've already exhausted your appeals, you're not going to get another crack at the sentence.
Florida is the only state in the nation that does not require a jury to vote unanimously to impose a death sentence.
How can it be in Florida that it takes a unanimous jury to find somebody guilty, but a simple majority to sentence somebody to death? Unless Florida does adopt a unanimous requirement for a death sentence, that's only going to be the next U.S. Supreme Court case.
Hurst's case will now go back to the Florida Supreme Court, who will determine if he will get a new sentencing hearing. But unless the state legislature changes the law before that, a new sentence would be based on the old unconstitutional system. To read the U.S. Supreme Court ruling for yourself, just log on to our website, cbsmiami.com. Natalia, CBS 4 News.
Natalia, thanks a lot.